In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to style your GoHighLevel survey. We'll walk through the process from the moment you log into your account, all the way to customizing the look and feel of each survey element. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your surveys match your brand and feel more professional and user-friendly. First, once you're logged into your GoHighLevel account, head over to your main launchpad. This is the central dashboard where you can access all the key tools in your workspace. Take a second to let the page load fully so all the menus and navigation items appear correctly. From the launchpad, look for the option labeled Sites and click on it. This is where GoHighLevel keeps everything related to pages, funnels, forms, and of course, surveys. Clicking Sites will open up a new section with several tabs or options. Next, within the Sites area, find and click on Surveys. This will take you to the Survey Builder section, where you can see any existing surveys you've created or start fresh with a new one. To begin styling a new survey, click on Create New. This will open a blank survey canvas. At this point, you're essentially looking at an empty layout, waiting for you to add questions and elements. Don't worry about the design just yet. The first step is to get some elements onto the page. Now, on the left side of the builder, you'll see different survey elements you can use, such as text fields, multiple choice questions, and other input types. Click on some of these elements and add them to your blank survey sheet. You can drag and drop them into place, and it's a good idea to add at least a few different types so you can see how each one can be styled. Once you have some elements on your survey, click on any one of them. When you select an element, look to the right side of the screen. You'll see a panel with general settings that you can customize. Here, you can usually change things like labels, placeholder text, alignment, colors, and sometimes spacing or borders, depending on the element type. Take your time exploring these settings and make small changes to see how they affect the appearance of your survey. You can repeat this process for every element in your survey. Each element type may have different customization options. For example, a text field might let you adjust label styling, while a button element might allow you to change background colors, hover states, or font size. Go through each one, tweak the settings, and preview how everything looks together until your survey matches the style and branding you're aiming for.